This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the skin, clean thoroughly with alcohol so the adhesive bonds. Once dry, trim excess hair. This prevents peeling. You should measure the strip, round the corners, and test a tiny patch for irritation. Now position the tape without stretching, align to the muscle or joint direction you want to support. Apply the middle first, then smooth ends. These first steps set adhesion and comfort, so take them deliberately to avoid lifting later and to ensure correct mechanical support. Once the base strip is placed, focus on technique. Apply tape along the muscle from origin toward insertion to guide motion and reduce strain. You want minimal stretch over the bulk of the tape and more tension only at the ends if needed. Make cuts, Y or I, around joints so the tape moves with you. After laying the strip, rub firmly to activate the glue using body heat. This locks the tape in place and reduces early peeling during activity. To finish, press the ends well and avoid creams or sunscreen over the tape. Make sure the wearer moves through the range of motion to confirm comfort and effectiveness. If skin irritation or blistering occurs, remove the tape immediately and clean the area. Consider a smaller patch test later. For stubborn residue, use baby oil or adhesive remover and peel slowly at a low angle. These final checks and the removal method keep skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.